let's make a batch of my favorite summertime chocolate popsicles. These are so unbelievably fudgy with our hard shell that just takes them over the top. They're sensational. The full recipe is on laurainthekitchen.com, and I do have a full in-depth video on how to make these, but they're very simple. You mix milk, cream, flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and whisk that together. Pop this on the stove, and then as it keeps cooking, it will just like thicken and change color a bit and just become this glorious, luscious, I don't even know what to call it, a pool of deliciousness basically. Once it's all thickened, you take it off the stove and you add some chocolate chips, and you just let that sit a bit so that the chocolate chips melt completely, and then just pour this mixture in your popsicle mold. And I will link this exact one in the description box below because I love it. And they're really, really easy. If you make them all even, it makes a full 12. But you know, I go heavy-handed, so I got 11 out of this batch. But if I were to go even, it would make 12. And then stick in your popsicle sticks. And this is just going to go into the freezer to set overnight. You can also do it about 6 to 8 hours, but overnight is really best. And once it's there, all you're going to do is work on, well, once you're ready to serve them, I should say, you're going to go on and make the hard shell that you're going to coat these with. And just a reminder, these videos are in addition to my regular content, never instead of. And I just feel like we can always use extra food inspo, you know, like for example, I have this full recipe on my website, but we make these all summer long because they're such a favorite, and I wanted to share that with you. So if you want to make them all summer long too, I don't blame you because they are absolutely sensational. So go ahead and pop these into the freezer, and then you're going to take some chocolate chips, and to it you're going to add some coconut oil, and you're going to pop this into the microwave in 30-second intervals until it is completely melted. And it actually happens quite quickly, so don't walk away. I find it easier to pour the melted chocolate into a cup so that when you go ahead and take your popsicle and you dip it in, it's just much easier to do. And once you do, the hard shell the chocolate pretty much sets into the hard shell immediately. So place that on a parchment paper lined platter as soon as you dip it, and that's all you have to do. I like to sprinkle them with just a touch of sea salt. I do it to some of them, so because I know not all kids love that, but they are sensational. These are right after I place them on the parchment, so you can see they harden immediately, and you kind of want to eat them immediately if you can because they're so delightful. Enjoy!